Today we will discuss about welding and its classification. Firstly, what is a welding? The welding is a process of joining two similar or dissimilar metals by fusion. It may be possible with or without the application of pressure. So here we can use under pressure and without pressure, and also with or without the use of filler metal. The fusion of metal takes place by means of heat, and the heat may be obtained from electric arc, electric resistance, chemical reaction, friction, or radiant energy. Now the classification of welding. Welding is generally of two types. First one is force or pressure welding, that is also known as plastic welding, and second type is fusion or non-pressure welding. So here, what is forge or pressure welding? In forge or pressure welding, the workpieces are heated to the plastic state. Then workpieces are joined together by applying external pressure on them, and in case of fusion or non-pressure welding, in fusion welding, material at the joint is heated to a molten state. Then material is allowed to solidify. So this is the basic difference between forge and fusion welding process. Now forge welding, that is pressure welding and under pressure without additional filler metal. In it, heat is created by, this is another type, and cold pressure welding, this is second type. So heat created by, there are generally three types. First one is blacksmith's fire. By friction heat is created, and by using electric current. So first one is the blacksmith fire. It has only one types, blacksmith forge welding. Friction welding has only one types, and under the electric current there are various types. First one is the resistance welding, and resistance welding has following types: spot welding, seam welding, projection welding, upset butt welding, flash butt welding, and last one is percussion welding. So these are the categorization of forge welding under heat created by, and cold pressure welding, that is only one type. Now fusion welding or non-pressure welding with additional filler metal. So here heat is created by generally with chemical reaction, with gas welding and electric arc. So now in chemical reaction there are generally two types. First one is thermit welding, and second is atomic hydrogen welding, in which chemical reaction takes place. And when heat is created by gas, then it is of three types. First one is oxy-acetylene welding, air acetylene welding, and last one is oxyhydrogen welding. So these are the basically types of welding under heat created by gas, and the last one is heat created by electric arc. Here first one is the carbon arc welding, metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, stud arc welding, and last one is inert gas arc welding. So here inert gas arc welding, it is of two types. First one is tungsten inert gas welding, that is generally known as TIG, and next is metal inert gas arc welding, and that is generally known as MIG. So today we have learnt about what is welding, and classification of welding, and further the classification are further classified. And generally here are two category: fusion welding and force welding. And there are further is various types of weldings like heat created by electric arc, gas, chemical reactions. In case of forge, heat created by blacksmith fire, electric current and friction. So today we give the just brief about the welding processes. In our next video we will discuss in detail one by one all types of weldings. To get more videos on mechanical engineering topics, subscribe N Universe 22 on YouTube. You may like its Facebook page www.facebook.com N Universe 22. You may share this video among your friends and students on also on Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Twitter also. You can give your queries by commenting. Give your suggestions if required. Thank you. Have a nice day.